Hello everyone, welcome to this introduction to the Ankaios Dashboard. My name is Felix Mölders. If you made it so far, you should already know what Eclipse Ankaios is, how you can use it, how you can start it. If you do so, I will tell you today what the Ankaios Dashboard is, how you can start the dashboard, and what the features of the dashboard are. Let's start. The Ankaios Dashboard is a UI, an interface for Eclipse Ankaios, the workload orchestrator. Consists of a front end that you can access through your browser and a back end that is started as a workload within the Ankaios cluster and does its information retrieval via gRPC. How can you start the dashboard? I will tell you now at first and then do a live demo how to get to a running Ankaios dashboard. I provide you with this YAML configuration that defines which image should be taken, the port forwarding, what password is set for the Ankaios dashboard, and very importantly, the control interface access so it can do the proper communication with the Eclipse Ankaios. You can take this configuration, put it into your startup state YAML file, or you can apply it to the system via the ank-apply command. Let's have a look at it. Here you see my development environment. Currently I'm running a dev container where the Eclipse Ankaios is installed currently in version 0.4. First of all, I will start the cluster running the following script. It does basically start the server, agent A, agent B, and agent C. So I will do that at first. Now the Ankaios cluster is running, currently without any workloads. I have predefined or configured this startup state YAML file. Here you see the definition or the configuration for the Ankaios dashboard, but I also provide some other workloads so that we can see visualizations of the system running in the Ankaios dashboard. I will apply that to the system using the ank-apply command. The other possibility would be to provide via the startup config flag the location of the file and to start it right away with the server. I will do that now with the ank-apply command. This will start all the workloads. The dev container does a port forwarding automatically, but I'm not looking for the 5006 but 5001. So I will start it in the browser. So here we already see the dashboard landing page. First of all, we do the login. The default user is admin and the password was set to admin2. Super safe. And here do you directly see an overview of the system. You can see how many workloads are running on which agent. You can see how many workloads are currently running, how many are pending. You can see what workload runtime is used and some further information like dependencies, tags, state, and so on. You can switch to the workloads view, which is the central page that you would use if you want to interact and manipulate the system. Here you can see all the workloads that are currently running and also pending. You can see whether they have any dependencies to other workloads and if they are fulfilled. For example, the automatic climate control is dependent on a failed Ankaios dashboard. Whether that makes sense, I don't say that, but you can see this condition is not fulfilled and that's the reason for that workload currently not running. You can also configure or change the configuration that is currently set in the system. Here I will change the port forwarding, and you can apply it to the workload, and it is changed in the running system. You can also delete a workload by using this X symbol. And last but not least, you are also able to add workloads in a very handy manner. If you are interested in the dependencies that exist between the workloads, you can use that dependency graph here. For example, you see that an automatic climate control is dependent on a failed Ankaios dashboard. I don't know if that makes sense, I already said, but also you can see that the navigation is dependent on a running infotainment screen. You can see the smartphone music streaming is dependent on a running Bluetooth connection. This is it so far for the Ankaios dashboard. Thank you for listening, and I wish you a lot of fun and good luck using Ankaios and the Ankaios dashboard.